Allô, allô, allô.
Oui.
Allô, la belle Soleil, bonjour.
Allez, viens.
Bonjour. Oh, ça va, oui.
Hello everyone. This is our second new Budgie, Soleil, which means sun. She is a female, now a little over a year on this mid-February day, 2013. Soleil is a rescue bird just like Perdu, and also adopted thanks to Perroquetsecours, the non-profit that handles lost and found parrots in our province. Soleil spent almost 6 months in her transit home before settling in with us at the very end of 2012. She was already quite tame and socialized, the very opposite of Perdu. As a matter of fact, she is his opposite in just about every respect, and the two birds complement and influence one another admirably. They also share the same cage. Soleil is a skillful flyer, active, playful, very chewy, and generally friendly towards humans. Learning by imitation is very efficient, and Soleil's presence has done wonders for Perdu. He is now active and playful, and a lot friendlier.
Regarde ça, s'il fait beau dehors, ma belle Soleil, hein? Ouais, écoute, c'est super. Hein? Petit Perdu? Petit Perdu, bisous, bisous.
We had concerns that two budgies might gang up on our tiny finch Biquette and make life difficult for her. As reported earlier, Biquette had attacked Perdu soon after his arrival, showing that she meant business. This is what happened on Soleil's second day with us.
Oh oh! La Biquette, elle se laisse pas impressionner, je t'avertis. Hey!
Let's watch it again in slower motion. Since then, the three birds have lived in perfect harmony.
On va entraîner Perdu. Allez! Soleil dans sa cage. Allez! Dans sa cage, la petite Soleil. Allez, allez! Allez! Bravo, Soleil!
The budgies still have a lot to learn, so I'm conducting a daily training session that will be the subject of our next video. Bye for now.